Hey YouTube, it's your girl, and I'm back with a little tutorial for you guys. I'm gonna do a mini twist tutorial, and I'm just gonna go a little bit more in depth as I do it so you guys can see it and try for yourself. So I'm gonna explain what I'm doing, and hopefully it makes sense to you guys. If it doesn't, if you have any questions, leave a comment. You guys can always comment, but I'm gonna break it down as simple as I can for you and as fast as possible. So as you guys saw, I was smoothing out the twist, and I do that just so I can have an easy twist down, because if not, your hair is going to be all jagged. So I smooth it out as I go, as you guys can see. When I first start with the twist, I try to get it as tight as possible. I put it between my fingers, like you guys are seeing. I'm putting the twist between my fingers, and I try to get it as tight as possible on my scalp. That's first things first. And then after you've gotten your tightness together for the twist, then you can start adding more product because it's going to smooth out the hair as well. So I like to add product as I'm going down to make it more smooth. From there, I really just keep twisting it down and twisting it down until it's done. Tips are, if you can keep your hair flat, and when I say flat, I'm talking about with the products. If you could keep your hair smooth and flat while you're doing the twist, your twist out will come out better, and it's going to make the process overall easier. So I'm going to show you guys how much I like to flatten my hair with this next twist right here. All right, you guys, so you're going to see me keep flattening out my twist. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go on with some edge control. So that's what I always do first, is we're going to hit it with the edge control. Make sure it's flat at the roots. Get the roots, y'all. Okay, so then I keep smoothing it down. A lot of this is about using your senses, you guys. So I like to feel for the flatness. So I'll keep feeling until it's okay. Then I pull it apart like you're seeing, and this is going to start my twist. All right. So I spray it with the water bottle, bada bing, bada boom. We step in the room. So now it's even more flat, and it's more flexible. We're trying to make it flexible because we're about to twist it like a rope. I know my head's a little tilted back at a weird angle, but as you guys can see, I'm pulling my hair apart. Like, you could literally see the hair, because this is a retwist for me. I'm not just twisting my hair. It's a retwist. So when you're doing a retwist, please make sure that you're careful pulling your hair apart. I know you're just seeing how crazy that looks. So just gently pull your hair apart, and then you can start your twist. All right. Make sure everything's flat and start at the root. Twist down, 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 down. You see it, y'all. It's just a pattern. Add product. Make sure it's flat. Keep twisting down. And when you add product, this is my twisting souffle. I do not keep adding edge control into my hair. Don't keep adding edge control into your hair unless you have to, but I suggest against that. But, just keep on going down. And you see how long my twist is getting? It's because my hair is flat. So the flatter your hair is, the longer your twist is going to come out as well. So you can do it on blow-dried hair, wet hair, whatever hair y'all want. Really, honestly, it's not hard, y'all. It's not rocket science. Just keep twisting down, keep twisting down. You see me just keep twisting down. That's it. Add product when needed, and that's it. There should be no excuse why you can't do your mini twist. And then I just wanted to explain this part to you guys too as well, because I think it's important. So you see me going around my roots, and I'm like twisting it up, literally twisting it against my roots so it stays in place. And I think that helps it hold. It's kind of like what they do with locks, and it works for me. So I think you guys should try that too. Like I said, this is going to be a short video. So we're going to go over this one more time, and then the rest of it's going to be a time lapse. All right, y'all. So we're going to do this one last time. We're untwisting, untwisting, untwisting. And you just want to smooth everything out. Make sure there's no kinks in the hair. Make sure that everything's just smooth. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here. Just pulling everything apart so I can make sure that there's nothing wrong with my hair. After that, you already know the vibe. We're going to go ahead and put that gel in. Put the gel on the root directly, y'all. And then you could pull it through the rest of your hair if you want, but you don't have to. So then I guess I was just checking my hair, see how long it was. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to start twisting that thing down. Start very, very tight. You see how I did with my fingers. Make sure you have it in between your fingers and just twist it. Like, just go all the way around. And then go ahead and twist down like you guys see me doing. Add product when needed. You don't have to always add product, but add it when you need to smooth it down more. It's gonna make your twist out come out way better, trust me. And all you have to do is keep doing that. Honestly, it's like I said, it's not rocket science, y'all. You can do this so easy. So don't act like you can't, for real. Don't piss me off. I'm gonna insert a picture of the products I'm using so you guys won't have any excuses. When you get to the end, you smooth the end out and then you curl the end like you see me doing. Yup, curl that thing up, curl that thing up, curl that thing up. And so now I'm just going to go ahead and time lapse it to the end of the video because I have one more tip that I want to share with you guys about the mini twist. And if you guys are going to stay to the end, check that out. If not, go start your mini twist. Like, restart the video if you have to. Put it on your freaking TV. This is 4K. I don't want to hear you can't do it. I don't want to hear that no more. You're just lazy. Yeah, that part. Okay, so for this part, I just wanted to add this tip in because I think it's important as far as stretching your hair. It's about banding. So that's what you're going to see me doing right here. I'm tying the hair tie around my hair multiple times, and I'm just going to keep doing that. However many hair ties you need, just until it becomes stretched. So it's going to stay stretched as I'm retwisting my hair, and it's going to give my hair more length when I take it out. So every row I complete, I put it into that, and you can see it becomes like a little ponytail. So that's it, you guys. That's all of the tips I have. Good luck on your twisting.